Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Grok Imagine AI image and video generator. The first time I opened Grok's Imagine tool, I honestly didn't expect it to be this capable, especially since it's free. If you want to generate something, just head into Imagine and decide right away. Are you making an image or a video? I usually start with images. Pick your aspect ratio first, let's say 9:16, and then type your prompt. It can be simple like an orange cat, or more detailed if you want specific lighting, background, or style. The clearer you are, the closer the result matches what you pictured. Once you hit generate, Grok produces variations you can refine. Not quite right. Adjust the prompt and try again. Well, that's part of the fun. For videos, switch to the video tab and describe motion, like a realistic cat dancing under studio lights. After rendering, you can download, share via link, or even edit further. You can also upload an image and turn it into a video directly. It feels like less clicking buttons and more like directing your own mini production. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.